Hello, this is an LC Creations presentation, and today I'm going to show you guys how Zoo Tycoon 2 mod editor is going through. So I'm in the middle of designing it still, but there are a lot of things that are done. It's good to show off right now. So I just started building it actually a week ago, so I'm pretty far with it, and I haven't really spent a lot of time on it, so there's a lot of things that would be done if I have spent more time on it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go to File, New, and Start New Project. I'm going to name this LC Example Project. And then I'm going to go choose the directory, and I'm going to put it in. I'm going to go to Libraries, Documents, and let's go to My Projects. Now you have this thing where you have to enter the keyword right there after. So you have to do that, otherwise it's going to mess it up. So then after that, click Done. And then you can go to Project. You would go to Project, and then you would go to Object, and add a fence. Or anything you want that's in there. So this is going to add like the code, to the project for you. So let's go to My Documents, and then, or My Projects, sorry, and LC Example Project. And then that's it. You just added your code, and then just click Done. And then if I wanted to add another code, I could, let's say I wanted to add a path, which I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm just saying we could do that. You can add as many codes as you want. The only thing that you wouldn't want to do is add the code twice, the same type of object twice, because that'll not corrupt the software, but it'll just be an issue. It'll say it won't work, and it'll shut down the whole entire software. So you just have to rename all your stuff first, and then add a fence again. So now let's say we want to rename the folders in our project, so we could code our project and create a code name and stuff. So let's go and do that. First of all, we're going to go to Folders, and then we're going to click Browse, and then let's go to the destination in the entities objects of our thing here. So let's go to Entities, Objects, and Fences, and I'm going to go to just click Fences. So I'm going to take this word here, code name fence, like you would if you were actually designing. I'm going to click that. Now again, you have to enter that key, so let's do that. Make sure you do that on almost everything. So code name fence, let's name this wood fence, and just go ahead and click rename. That's it. You just renamed your stuff. So I'm going to go into the documents here. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the browser. So let's go into fences, and there we go, our folders are renamed. And so let's work on these, the AI. So we're gonna want to do that, let's go do this here, and it's gonna already be in there because it's using the same dialogue. So let's go into fences again and AI, and then we're gonna take this and of course put the thing at the end, and let's name this code name fence, and then wood fence, and then let's just go ahead and click rename, and then there you go. When you go into AI, you have all your stuff renamed already. Now we also have all these names that we have to rename too in here, so that's code name in there. So let's do same thing, you know. And let's just go to wood fence, and then we have to re-enter the key, and then just click rename, and then just go to the same one again, or the other one, but and then click rename, and then there you go, and then you had just renamed everything in there and everything in here. Now we also have these code names in here in the text. Well, you don't want to go through every single one. Say if you had like 10 of these, you don't want to go through every single one and go replace and type in that code name, because that takes a long time. It doesn't really take a long time, but if you had like 1,000 files or something, just, you know, for example, it's a little over exaggerate, but if you had a million files or something, you know, you don't want to go through every single one of them and do that. So just in general, if you had a lot. So let's exit this, and then let's go to projects, edit files, and let's go to text rename. And this is a pretty cool tool, guys. You can do a lot of things with it, like I was just saying. So let's go to AI. This is where we want to rename our stuff, text in the files, and let's go code name fence, and let's put in let's name it wood fence. Sorry, I forgot what I was gonna name it a while ago, or just now. Sorry. So now you're gonna select what type of files you'll rename it. And TXT is pretty common, and sometimes they have that in the UI of the Zoo Tycoon. So if you want to, you know, redo the UI user interface, you could do that. You know, some of that. ZT2 files, those are like Zoo Tycoon saved files, and Zoo Tycoon, you know, and then the BFM, BEH, and TSK, obviously, you know what that is. So, and then all files, it's a little different. That could actually corrupt your NIF files, so that's why you really never want to do all files. So that's not recommended. I'm going to put a not recommended thing on there. But if you absolutely have to, because your file isn't named here, you can do that. But you just have to be very careful. So let's go rename text. Well, what we have to do is just go into here, and everything's renamed. And this one, and this one, and then this one. So, there you go. Now, just click done. And then what you do is say we are done with our project. So we're going to compress our project. We're going to browse to that location, and we're going to go to my documents, LC example project. Just click on that, and that's it. And then we're going to, it says compress as blah 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 in this directory. So we're going to we're going to do this LC example project, and then we're going to go to all files, and we're going to name Zoo Tycoon 2 file .z2f file. And then just click save, and then click done. After that, you have just compressed your project. You have everything in here: entities, objects, fences, AI, everything, and everything's done in here. Now we didn't do this here, but you know how to do that if you're a designer, filters and all that stuff. So that's just an example of what you can do. So yeah, the software is pretty cool. You can do a lot of things with it for designing for Zoo Tycoon 2. It's really, really simple, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.